to abduct me? Worry not, my brother. If you follow these safety tips, you'll be fine. Number 1. Don't talk to strangers. You probably heard your mother say this over 1,000 times. She'll say, stay away from that creepy old pervert. Here are some of those creepy old perverts.
Clowns, creepy puppets, and Dick Cheney.
Well, you probably won't get abducted if you just stay away from creepy puppets on tricycles or segways.
They not only prey on kidnapped victims, they also ride while intoxicated.
Number 3! Not all haunted houses are fun. Want to go to a haunted house? Not so fast. There might be a maniac in there.
Hey man, wanna come over? I got candy!
Run away as fast as you can. You might end up like this guy. And finally, if a fish person says it's a trap, he's probably right. Fish people tend to know when a sticky situation is upon you. So he says the magic words.
It's a trap!
You better f***ing listen. If you follow these safety pointers, you probably won't get abducted by an evil puppet with a spooky voice. Happy Halloween, everybody! F***ing Monaco!